you will always find some kind of opportunity. So I always say that, bull market is like sunshine. It is always there somewhere. Even if the deepest bear market, there is a bull market of individual script to whom we call, like we say, that bottom-up approach. You will always find some kind of opportunity like sunshine. So this is what I feel personally. Now coming to the current market scenario, whatever has happened in last 3-4 years that we have seen, that after COVID, market did not react at all. Market did react, but it went up by 50% and reacted, say, 20%. And the new crop which has come after the COVID and all, they haven't seen any crisis, they haven't seen any bear market. So they were quite confident and very aggressive that every fall can be bought. So this is what has happened in this market. I think now that things is correcting itself. So this is the structure, this is the characteristics of any market that, and I have seen one major change I will tell you I have seen in my life. After 2003, there has been a structural change in the stock market as well as in the economy, because stock market is also a reflection of the economy only. So what I have seen that bull markets have become longer. In my life, in my journey of the stock market, first time it had happened that bull market of 2003 lasted for 5 years, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, lasted till 2007 end. So that was the first time in history of Indian stock market that bull market was lasted for 5 years, and bear markets were very shorter. Before 2003, bull markets were, the life cycle of bull market were not beyond 9 months or maybe more than 1 year. And bear markets were longer. So in 2003 and 7, bull market lasted for 5 years, and bear market, although the biggest crisis of that time, like Lehman Brothers crisis happened, and the bear market was over within 9 months. When I'm saying over in 9 months, it means market made a bottom, and after that never came to touch that bottom, and market started reviving. That happens within a span of 9 months. Top and bottom were made within a span of 9 months. So that was a very structural change in India, as well as in the market, as well as in the economy. Because earlier I remember, whenever all these companies and economic cycles were only for 2-3 years, all the cycles and all. But after this, all these IT companies came into the picture after 1992, 95 and all, things started changing, and new industry also started replacing the old commodity industries and all. And the same thing happened in 2019 when COVID came and the biggest crisis of the century happened. That time also, the top and bottom were made within 9 months' time. Top and bottom were made within 9 months of time, and market started recovering there. And you know then what happened, and this is what now everybody knows. So this is what giving me this perspective that come what may, even the biggest crisis of the century could not suppress the market down more than 9 months' time. I think same thing is going to happen. Currently, although currently we are not having any crisis, we are not seeing that crisis kind of scenario, and Lehman Brothers crisis kind of scenario is not there. So it's just a correction because market has risen a lot. So it's just a correction. In my personal view, I may go wrong. So I'm not managing others' money. I don't have that kind of responsibility and integrity, in the sense accountability and responsibility like all these fund managers have. So I may go wrong, but this is how I structure my portfolio. That doesn't matter if my stock, even if it falls, say, 20%, 30% or 50%, it does not disturb me because that's the part of the market. So it will happen. I will give you one example. Somebody has introduced me. I bought one shares in 2004 and 5. And the name of that company is Cera Sanitary Ware. Shyam Sekhar sir had also bought. So I bought at 60, 70 rupees. And I sold that shares in 2023. And after 1-to-1 bonus, I sold the shares at 16,400 rupees. I sold at 8,200 plus I got 1-to-1 bonus. So in absolute terms, I sold at 16,400 times, 16,400. And it's 70 rupees if I calculate the dividend, including the dividend on the bonus shares, then I got more than 200 rupees as dividend, 160 rupees or something, but if I calculate bonus and all, then more than 200 rupees dividend I got in 18 years. So that is more than the return of the fixed deposits. So my costing is zero in that shares. And many times I have seen that stock had fallen 50%. Even at one time it had fallen 65% from its peak. You know, that happened in 2008, Lehman Brothers crisis, and even the COVID times. COVID times also stocks fell 60-70%. But I held on to my shares, the major quantity I held on to. Some quantity I kept on selling, but major quantity I held. And this is how the kind of return I got. So this is what, there is a quote of mine: one innovation can change your ecosystem. One leader can change your country. One idea can change your world. One mentor can change your mindset. One lesson can change your approach. One opportunity can change your career. And one bull market can change your net worth. And one stock can change your life. So this is what I believe, and this is what has happened in my life. As I gave you an example of this Cera sanitary ware, it gave me, if I calculate dividend, of course I should calculate dividend because it is more than the return I would get in fixed deposits. So that has really changed my life. Similarly, by grace of God, I got so many opportunities where I got 100 times return, not 100% return, 100 times return in those companies. But only criteria was this, that I hold on to the shares. I held on to the shares for 15 years. So that was the only criteria. And during that tenure of 15 years, every time, many times, my stock had fallen 30%, 40%, 50, 60% from its peak. You know, the principle was the only same, that hold on to your shares. There is a quote of mine that chase the story behind the stock, not money on the table. Money will make you rich, but story will make you wealthy. So there is a difference between making money and creating wealth.